Hello everyone. Today, we're going to embark on a journey together. I'm going to take you through the process of decluttering and cleaning my room. I know, it can be a daunting task, but I promise you, it's going to be fun and satisfying. First things first, we have to survey the mess. It's important to have a clear idea of what we're dealing with. Look around, take note of the areas that need the most attention. This is the first step to a successful decluttering process. Next, we'll start with the big items. These are the things that take up the most space in the room. We're talking about clothes, books, and other large objects. We'll sort them out, decide what to keep, what to donate, and what to throw away. Once we've dealt with the big items, it's time to tackle the smaller ones. These can be tricky, as they can easily get lost in the clutter. But don't worry, we'll sort them out, one by one. We'll find a place for everything, and everything in its place. Now that we've decluttered, it's time to clean. We'll dust, sweep, and mop, making sure every corner of the room is spotless. There's nothing more satisfying than a clean room free of clutter. And finally, we'll put everything back in its place. This is the fun part, where we get to decorate and arrange things to our liking. It's amazing how a clean and decluttered room can change the whole vibe of the space. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to decluttering and cleaning your room. I hope this inspires you to tackle your own mess. Remember, a clean room is a clear mind. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe us.